Hey, welcome back. This week's recipe from the farm, I am making a champagne braised rutabaga. Really, really easy to make, and oh my goodness, the flavor is awesome. Check it out. Alright, fun fact. The rutabaga was developed in Sweden in the 17th century. It's a cross between turnips and cabbage. Neat. So I've got my rutabaga. I'm cutting it into I cut the top and the bottom off, cut into like steak sizes. That makes it easier to peel. I don't worry about the wax. The wax actually is a food grade wax, and it does help keep the turnips from turning brown, and so I just peel it off. Now I'm cutting them into like these batons, and I'm doing a roll cut. It just gives the final dish a little bit more texture and interest. It came out really nice. Let's see that again. So I just cut it, rotate, cut, rotate. Just stops it from looking like it came out of like a can of Campbell's soup. I'm going to chop up one shallot. Peel that off. Adds a nice little bit of onion flavor. And I'm going to finely cut that. Shallots I love shallots. They store so long. Add a subtle flavor, a little bit more subtle than onion. Really, really tasty. In goes the shallot into a hot pan just for a minute. Then I'm going to add my spice. Again, like 30 seconds. I don't want the onions to get too brown. They'll end up browning the whole dish. So I'm just going to warm the spices up. Then I'm going to add my rutabaga. And then I'm going to add about a cup of vinegar. And I'm using champagne vinegar. Again, it doesn't color the dish. It's really nice, and the flavor's amazing. This is vinegar, about a cup, and I'm going to add about a half cup of water. Bring that to a boil, cover, simmer for about 50 minutes. You can see it's getting to a nice boil there. I'm going to reduce the heat to simmer, and look at that. After about 50 minutes, toss that up, and we're ready to go. Alright, my rutabaga is done. Lots of time just sitting there braising. I'm gonna add some salt. Give this a try. Oh my gosh. That is so flavorful. You want it still to be a little al dente, a little bit to the tooth, a little crunchy, but wow, the flavor just explodes out of it. Look at the sweetness from the vinegar, a little pepper. It is so good. Try this one out. And until next time, keep planting, keep cooking, do something good. My goodness. Yeah.